Converting epoch time into the date time. I'm getting a response from the rest as an epoch time format like. I want to convert that epoch seconds in MySQL format time so that I could store the differences in my MySQL database. I tried. The above result is not what I'm expecting. I want it to be like. Please suggest how can I achieve this? Also, why I am getting type error column of float is required for.
To convert your time value, float or int, to a formatted string, use. For example,
you can also use datetime.
To get UTC,
this is what you need. Please input a float instead of an int and that other type error should go away.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.